situation has suddenly become clear.
Crazy. I don't know. It's anybody's game.
There are only limited spots available.
Gabby Barrett. Is one of those spots yours, Gabby?
Gabby could have something to be worried about.
I'm going to sing Church Bells by Carrie Underwood.
Don't do that.
Okay.
When you try to sound country, you don't sound country.
We're looking for you.
For this performance, I decided to go in with a Carrie Underwood song because I think it shows diversity.
She's got it, but I don't know why she picked that song.
I know it was a risk doing a Carrie Underwood song, but at this point in the competition, you gotta give all or nothing.
He hit a woman for the very last time.
It wasn't good at first.
She finished very strong.
Yeah.
This is my chance to turn everything around for my family so that my dad doesn't have to work 4 jobs. My dad definitely means everything to me. We went through a lot of hard stuff, so I know what it's like to do without.
Miss Gabby.
All right.
This is the biggest opportunity of my life. It can change everything, and I want it really, really, really bad.
So, Gabby, I thought yesterday was bad for you. I thought yesterday was not great until the very end. You saved your butt at the end, and I'm not yet convinced.
She's telling you the truth? I think you're next level, and I think you are what the competition needs, and you are in the top 25. But listen,